Today we are solving 10 questions on integration using trigonometric identities. In that the first question is integration of 1 divided by sine square x into cos square x. This is easy question actually. We need to find the integral of the given function. To find the integral of the given function, we cannot, the given function is not in its standard formula. So that rewrite the given numerator, which is of the following form. Just write the numerator as sine square x plus cos square x, because we know sine square x plus cos square x is nothing but 1. So that 1 will be replaced by sine square x plus cos square x, because the denominator is in the form of sine square x into cos square x we have. Later on you can split the terms, like first term divided by denominator plus or minus second term divided by denominator. So I am splitting it. Sine square x divided by sine square x into cos square x plus cos square x whole divided by sine square x into cos square x. Now to find the integral of these two terms, first you simplify. Few terms can be cancelled here. Sine square cancelled, cos square cancelled. What is left? Remaining is integration of 1 by cos square x. 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x plus integration of 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x. Cosecant square x into dx. Okay. Now when I find the integral of these two terms, what is integration of secant square x? Integration of secant square x is nothing but tan x plus integration of cosecant square x is nothing but minus cot x. Minus cot x. Accordingly we get tan x minus cot x plus c as a final answer. So now let us move to the next question. The next question is integration of 1 plus 2 tan x into tan x plus secant x whole to the power 1 by 2 into dx. Whole to the power 1 by 2 into dx. Yeah, this is the given question. Now to find the solution of the given problem, how we can rewrite the given question, let us understand. See here, when I multiply this 2 tan x with these two terms, let us see what we will get. We get integration of 1 plus 2 tan x into tan x is nothing but 2 tan square x plus 2 tan x into secant x is 2 tan x into secant x whole to the power 1 by 2 as it is into dx is also as it is. Now see, this 2 tan square x can be rewritten as tan square x plus tan square x. Tan square x plus tan square x, so that we get 1 plus tan square x plus tan square x plus 2 tan x into secant x, 2 tan x into secant x whole square, which is whole to the power 1 by 2. Whole to the power 1 by 2 into dx we have. Okay, into dx. See this two terms. First two terms can be replaced by trigonometric identity. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square x. Remaining terms will remain same. That is secant square x plus tan square x plus 2 tan x secant x. 2 tan x into secant x whole to the power 1 by 2. Whole to the power 1 by 2 into dx we have. Okay. Now you can observe the given these three terms are in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab format. Is nothing but a plus b whole square formula. Here a and b are secant x plus tan x the whole square to the power 1 by 2. Whole power 1 by 2. So we all know very well a power m whole power n can be written as a to the power m into n. When we multiply the power, square and square root will get cancelled. We are left with integration of secant x plus tan x into dx. For these two terms we have a standard formula. What is integration of secant x? Log of modulus of secant x plus tan x. And what is integration of tan x? Integration of tan x is log of modulus of secant x plus c. Or else together these two terms are in the form of log a plus log b. Accordingly we can write log a plus log b can be written as log ab, so that we get log of secant x into secant x plus tan x we can write. Okay, secant x into secant x plus tan x. Yeah, this must be our final answer. Hope you have understood. Moving to the next question. Moving to the next question. Here the next question is integration of tan 3x into integration of tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x. Tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x into dx is equal to question mark. Now to find the solution of the given problem, what we can do, we can rewrite the given question. How? We can rewrite the given question by using multiple angle compound angle formula. Compound angle formula. See, here we have tan x, tan 2x, tan 3x. Maximum angle is 3x. So let us consider tan of 3x. This tan 3x, angle 3x can also be rewritten as tan of x plus 2x we can write. Then this looks like tan of a plus b formula. What is tan of a plus b? Formula says tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b whole divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. According to the formula, I have written the terms. Now if we do cross multiplication, when we do cross multiplication, tan 3x will be multiplied with entire denominator terms. So 1 into tan 3x is nothing but tan 3x minus tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x is equal to tan x plus tan 2x will get. Okay, tan x plus tan 2x. Okay. Now what we need, we want the value of product of these three terms, tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x. Reshuffle the terms. Take this minus of tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x to the right hand side and bring these two terms to LHS. So we can write the value of tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x is equal to tan 3x plus minus tan 2x minus tan x we can write. Finish. So we found the value of tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x. Substituting this in the given question. So the given question will become integration of tan x into tan 2x into tan 3x will be replaced by tan 3x minus tan 2x minus tan x. Now if I find the integral of all these three terms, we will get the required answer. Hope everyone remember the formula to find the integral of these three terms. What is integration of tan 3x? This is again composite function. So first function you will integrate, second function you will differentiate it, and the differentiated value you will write in the denominator. Here also same thing. First function we will integrate, second function we will differentiate, and the differentiated value we should write in the denominator. What is integration of tan x? Integration of tan x is log of modulus of secant x whole divided by 3. Whole divided by 3. Okay. Followed by this minus integration of tan 2x is log of modulus of secant 2x whole divided by 2. Minus integration of tan x is log of modulus of secant x. Log of modulus of secant x plus c. We have done with the required solution. Okay. Hope you have understood. Moving to the next question. Question number 4. So here the fourth question is integration of cos cube x into e to the power log of sin x into dx is equal to, let us see what will be the required solution to the given problem. Now here, by looking at the given question, we can rewrite the given question as e to the power cos cube x. Here e and log both are reciprocal to each other, both will get cancelled, remaining is sin x into dx. Okay. Then how can we rewrite this function? This function can also be rewritten as integration of cos x whole power 3 and minus of sin x, one more minus sign outside the integral into dx. The reason is here the given question is in the form of integration of f of x to the power n into f dash of x into dx is equal to f of x to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c we will get. Okay, this is a formula, shortcut formula in substitution method we have. So by observing this function you can realize that f of x is to be assumed as cos x, assume this is f of x whole power 3 we have, and this one is f dash of x. So this is exactly in the form of f of x to the power of n into f dash of x. So integration of this one will be minus cos to the power 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is nothing but 4 divided by 4 plus c. Yeah, this is our required answer. Integration of cos x to the power 3 into minus of sin x is minus of cos power 4x whole divided by 4 plus c. Hope you have understood. Moving to the next question. So here the next question is question number 5. What is question number 5? Let us see. That is integration of cos 8x plus 1 whole divided by cot 2x minus tan 2x into dx is equal to a into cos of 8x plus k, where k is any arbitrary constant, then the value of a is, we should find the value of a in the given question. Now let us think about the given question and we will try to rewrite if possible. Then we will try to find the required solution of the given problem. Okay. See here, to find the integral of the given function, what we can do, the numerator can be rewritten of the following form. Like, let us rewrite the given question as 1 plus cos of 8x can be rewritten as 2 times of 4x. This 8x I am writing as 2 into 4x, which we can write whole divided by cot 2x minus tan 2x I am writing as it is, cot 2x minus tan 2x. We will think about the denominator later. Now the numerator is in the form of 1 plus cos 2x. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x. 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x we will get. So accordingly 2 cos square x is nothing but here 4x. Okay na? Whole divided by what we have, cot 2x minus tan 2x we have. Cot 2x minus tan 2x. What is this cot 2x minus tan 2x? Can I write it in the form of cot theta minus tan theta? What is cot theta minus tan theta? Cot theta minus tan theta is nothing but 2 cot theta. Okay, using that formula, the whole denominator can be rewritten as 2 cot 2x we can write. 2 cot 2x into dx. So here we should remember cot 2x minus tan 2x is nothing but 2 cot 2x we will get after simplification. Okay, accordingly we have written this. So numerator 2, denominator 2 both can be cancelled. Remaining is integration of cos square 4x into, if I bring the denominator term to the numerator, it becomes 1 by cot will become tan 2x. The tan 2x can be rewritten as tan 2x. Okay, just a minute here. I guess we have rewritten the function like cot 2x minus tan 2x is equal to 2 times of cot of 2 into 2x will get 2 into 2x, which is 4x. Okay, and 1 by cot can be rewritten as tan. The tan can be written as sin by cos, sin 4x whole divided by cos 4x into dx. So 1 term can be cancelled from the numerator and denominator. What is remaining? Remaining is integration of sin 4x into cos 4x. If I multiply and divide by 2, we will get the term which is of this form. So 1 by 2 into 2 sin theta cos theta is nothing but sin 2 theta. Sin of 2 into theta, where theta is to be considered as a 4x. 2 into 4x will become 8x into dx. See, we can find the integral of this function as we have a standard formula. Integration of sine of 8x, composite function. First function you will integrate, second function you will differentiate. The differentiated value we should write in the denominator. What is integration of sine? Minus of cos theta whole divided by the derivative of the second function is 8, and that we are writing in the denominator, plus c is as it is. So finally we get minus cos 8x whole divided by 16 plus c. This is our required answer. Okay, now when I compare the given answer with the actual solution as it is given in the RHS, so can I write this one in the form of minus 1 by 16 into cos 8x plus c. So what do we have in place of a? In place of a we have the value of a as minus 1 by 16. Yes, this is our required answer. Hope you have understood. Moving to the next question. The next question is question number 6. Question number 6 is integration of sine 5x whole divided by sine 5x by 2 whole divided by sine x by 2 into dx. Sine x by 2 into dx. How to find the solution of the given problem? Now to find the solution of the given problem, what we can do is we need to multiply and divide by sine x by 2 in both numerator and denominator. Multiplying and dividing by 2 cos x by 2 in both numerator and denominator. So that what we will get, integration of, when I multiply in the numerator we get 2 cos x by 2 into sine 5x by 2 we will get. Okay, whole divided by denominator will be 2 times of sine x by 2 into cos x by 2 we will get. So denominator is in the form of 2 sin a cos b. 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 is nothing but sin x. Numerator is in the form of sin a cos b or cos a sin b. Okay, so here 2 is as it is. Sin a cos b is nothing but, what is the formula for sin a cos b? Sin a cos b is nothing but half into sin of a plus b. 5x plus x is 6x divided by 2 is 3x, plus sin of a minus b, 5x minus x is 4x, 4x divided by 2 is 2x. Yeah, this is what we are getting. Numerator 2, denominator 2 cancelled. We are getting the terms like integration of sin 3x plus sin 2x whole divided by sin x we are getting. Now to find again the integral of this term, we should rewrite. How can we rewrite this? By using multiple angle formulas. Sin 3x can be rewritten as 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Sin 2x can be rewritten as 2 sin x into cos x whole divided by the denominator. What is denominator? Sin x. When I divide entire numerator terms from the denominator, we get the terms like 3 into sin x by sin x is cancelled. Remaining is 3 into integration of dx, first term, minus 4 is a constant, you can keep it outside. 1 sign can be cancelled. Remaining is sin square x. Integration of sin square x. What is integration of sin square x? We cannot find integration of sin square directly. So we are replacing the value of sin square x by 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2 formula. Followed by this minus 2 into sin x will get cancelled. Remaining is only cos x. Integration of cos x into dx. Now we can find the integral. 3 is a constant. Integration of dx is x minus 4 into you can take 1 by 2 as a constant. So 4 into 1 by 2 will become 4 by 2 x. Minus into minus is plus. 4 by 2 is nothing but again 2 into integration of cos 2x. Integration of cos 2x is sin 2x whole divided by 2. Numerator 2, denominator 2 cancel. Minus 2 into integration of cos x is sin x plus c. So finally if I simplify we get 3x minus 4 by 2 is nothing but 2x plus sin 2x minus 2 times of sin x plus c. Okay, so here 3x minus x, 3x minus 2x is nothing but x, and the remaining is sin 2x plus x plus sin 2x minus 2 times of sin x plus c. Finish. Cross check if we have gone anywhere wrong. 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x plus 2 sin x into cos x. Okay. When we divide each and individual term by, okay, here minus, okay, this has to be plus. Okay, this sign, last term sign should be plus. Accordingly, we'll get plus. Yeah, this is our answer. Moving to the next question. Next question is question number 7. What is 7th question? Question number 7 is integration of 1 divided by 1 whole divided by 1 plus 3 sin square x 1 plus 3 sin square x plus 8 cos square x into dx. Okay, this is the given question. Now to find the solution of the given problem, this one doesn't look like any one of the standard formula. So we should divide both numerator and denominator by cos square x. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos square x. So 1 by cos square x is nothing but secant square x. Dividing both numerator and denominator by cos square x, so that we get integration of 1 by cos square x is secant square x. Whole divided by 1 by cos square x is again secant square x plus 3 sin square x divided by cos square x. Sin square x by cos square x is nothing but tan square x. We get 3 tan square x plus 8 into cos square x divided by cos square x is nothing but only 8 into dx. Okay. Now later what you can do, think once. Secant square x, 3 tan square. Okay. Can I rewrite the first term of a denominator in terms of secant only? I mean in terms of tan. Secant square x, 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. So this secant square x will become 1 plus tan square x. Followed by this 3 tan square x is as it is, plus 8 is also as it is, into dx. So now what you can do, you can rewrite integration of secant square x whole divided by 1 plus tan square x plus 3 tan square x will become 4 tan square x, 4 tan square x plus 8, correct? Think once, cross check it again. Okay, so here 1 and 8 can be together written as 9. Can I write this as 9? Because 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 we can write. Yeah, so this is plus 9. Now you can take tan square x as a 4 can be taken common in the denominator. So if I take 4 is common in the denominator, we get secant square x whole divided by 4 I took common. Remaining is tan square x plus 9 by 4 we'll get. Yeah. So now to solve the definition or to find the solution of the given problem, you can take tan x as a substituting variable. Let tan x is equal to t. Tan x is equal to t. What is differentiation of tan x? Secant square x into dx is equal to dt. So the given problem can be written in terms of t using these two steps. Secant square x into dx is nothing but dt. 1 by 4 is a constant, whole divided by t square plus 3 by 2 the whole square. This is of one of standard formula. We have one standard formula that integration of dx whole divided by x square plus a square is equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. According to that, we get the answer as 1 by 4 is a constant we wrote as it is, and 1 by a, here a is nothing but 3 by 2. So 1 divided by 3 by 2, denominator of denominator will go to numerator, into tan inverse of x by a. X is nothing but t. T stands for tan x. Tan inverse of 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. X stands for t, isn't it? Just a minute. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Okay. 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. What is x stands for? T divided by a. A stands for 3 by 2. Okay. Plus c is what we are getting. So when I simplify 2 1s are 2 2s are, we get 1 by 6. 1 by 6 into tan inverse of 2 into t. What is t value? T value is tan x. 2 tan x whole divided by 3 plus c. Yes, this is our final answer. 1 by 6 into tan inverse of 2 tan x whole divided by 3. Hope you have understood. Moving to the 8th question. Question number: integration of cos 2x minus cos 2 theta whole divided by cos x minus cos theta into d theta. Okay, this is the given question. Now to find the solution of the given problem, we use the formula. In both numerator and denominator, we can use one standard formula. That is, we know that, see the given two terms, both the terms looks like cos c minus cos d. What is the formula for cos c minus cos d? Cos c minus cos d is equal to minus 2 into sine of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. This is the formula. And this is the one formula we are using in both numerator and denominator. So when I use in both numerator and denominator, the given question can be rewritten as integration of minus 2 into cos c minus cos d. This is to be considered as a value of c and 2 theta is to be considered as a value of d. Okay. Accordingly, we get minus 2 into sine of c is nothing but 2x plus d is nothing but 2 theta whole divided by 2 sine c plus sine d, sine of c plus d by 2 into sine of c is 2x, d is 2 theta whole divided by 2, c minus d by 2. Okay. Whole divided by, even in the denominator also we are using the same formula, that is cos c minus cos d is minus 2 into sine of c plus d by 2 into sine of c minus d by 2. Okay, this is the question. In the numerator minus 2, denominator minus 2 cancelled. We are left with, after simplification we get integration of sine of in both numerator and denominator we can cancel 2 after taking common in numerator. That is 2 I am taking common in the numerator, remaining is x plus theta whole divided by 2. So numerator 2, denominator 2 cancelled. Same way, even in the second term also we are doing. In an angle I am taking 2 as a common, remaining is x minus theta whole divided by 2. So again numerator 2, denominator 2 can be cancelled. And the denominator terms will remain same, that is sine of x plus theta whole divided by 2 into sine of x minus theta whole divided by 2, yeah, into d theta. Okay. Now let us think further what we can do. See here we have, after cancelling, we are left with sine of x plus theta and sine of x minus theta whole divided by sine of x plus theta by 2 into sine of x minus theta by 2. Still we cannot find the integral of the given function. So what I can do is, I can rewrite the given terms as similar to denominator. So when we look at the denominator, here the angle is divided by 2 is given. So assume this is in the form of sine theta formula. Clear? Assume this is in the form of sine theta. So we can recall the formula for sine theta, submultiple angle formula. What is the formula for sine theta? 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Okay, this is the submultiple angle formula. Using this submultiple angle formula, we can rewrite this x plus theta. Clear? And even x minus theta also we will rewrite, twice we will write. We will assume both of these two terms here in the form of sine theta. That can be rewritten as 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So when I rewrite in such a way, we get the answer which is of the following form. That is 2 into integration of 2 into, I am writing this sine theta in the form of 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 sine theta by 2. What is theta here? X plus theta divided by 2 into cos of x plus theta by 2. And here this one I am writing as it is, that is sine of x minus theta. In the next step I will apply to that also submultiple angle formula whole divided by, here space is not there, so I am doing that particular step in the next step. Okay, x plus theta by 2 into sine of x minus theta by 2. Okay, from the numerator and denominator, one sine x plus theta by 2, denominator of sine x plus theta by 2 can be cancelled. For the remaining terms, we are writing like 2 into, remaining is what? Cos of x plus theta by 2. This term I am writing as it is. As I told you in the previous term only, that this sine theta also can be rewritten as by using submultiple angle formula, so that we get 2 into sine theta by 2. Here theta is x minus theta by 2 into cos theta by 2, cos of x minus theta divided by 2, whole divided by the same denominator. What is denominator? We are left with only sine of x minus theta by 2. Integration sign with respect to theta will remain same. Now see, from the numerator and denominator what we can cancel? Sine of x minus theta by 2 and sine of x minus theta by 2. These two are one another the same. So both I have cancelled it. We are left with 2 into 2 is nothing but 4. 4 is a constant that we can keep it outside the integral. Remaining is cos of x plus theta divided by 2 into cos of x minus theta divided by 2. See, we are reducing the given problem difficulty, level of difficulty step by step. See, in the denominator we had two terms. Step by step we have reduced to no term. So we don't have any term in the denominator, which means it's understood that it is 1. Now, if you apply one more last formula, we will get the answer to the given question. That is, this is in the form of cos A cos B formula. Until unless we don't get plus or minus sign, we cannot find the integral. So that we are applying, we are converting these two terms in the form of plus or minus format. So that I am using one formula, that is cos A cos B. I hope you have remembered the formula for cos A cos B. What is the formula for cos A cos B? Half into cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B plus cos of A minus B. Okay, this is the formula for cos A cos B. So that the remaining previous step can be rewritten as 4 times of cos A cos B is equal to half into cos of A plus B, where A is x plus theta divided by 2 plus B is x minus theta divided by 2, plus cos of A minus B by 2, that is x plus theta divided by 2 minus x minus theta divided by 2. Okay, yeah. So here when we open the bracket, 2 1s are 2 2s are, after cancellation what is left? We are left with only 2, and the remaining is bracket followed by that cos of, here 2 is an LCM, so directly numerator can be added, plus theta minus theta can be cancelled, remaining is x plus x. X plus x is nothing but 2x. 2x divided by 2 is only x, so we are getting only cos x, plus here after taking LCM plus x minus x can be cancelled, theta plus theta will become 2 theta. 2 theta divided by 2 is only theta. Okay, we are left with this. Okay, and then I am considering in the next slide, because the space is not there here, so moving to the slide, next slide, remember the terms 2 cos x plus cos theta. Okay, next step I am writing 2 times of cos x plus cos theta into dx. Okay, 2 times of cos x plus cos theta into d theta. Okay, into d theta. We need to find the integral of this. So 2 is a constant, we are writing as it is. Integration of cos x is sin x. Second term is okay. So here we need to integrate this with respect to dx only, not theta, dx. So integration of cos x is sin x. So here cos theta is to be considered as a constant, so I wrote that one as it is. So any constant into dx, integration of any constant into dx is nothing but constant into x plus c, according to cos theta into x plus c. I hope you have remembered the formula of integration of k into dx. K we keep it outside the integral, remaining is only dx. That is nothing but k into integration of dx is x plus c. According to this formula only I have written the previous step answer. Okay, so therefore the required final answer is 2 times of sin x plus x into cos theta plus c. This is our final answer. Hope you have understood. Moving to the next question. Next question is number 9 is cos cube theta minus sin cube theta whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta whole into d theta plus integration of 1 minus sin theta cos theta into d theta, and f of 0 is equal to 10. Then what is the value of f of 10? Okay, now to find the solution of the given problem, we can rewrite the first term by using the standard formula. The formula is a cube minus b cube, because the terms looks like a cube minus b cube. Formula of a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, this is the formula for a cube minus b cube. So using this formula, the given question can be rewritten as integration of cos cube minus sin cube is nothing but cos theta minus sin theta into cos square theta plus sin square theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta plus cos theta sin theta or sin theta cos theta. Okay na? Into d theta whole divided by cos theta minus sin theta. This is about the first term. Second term will remain same, that is plus integration of 1 minus sin theta into cos theta into d theta. Okay. Now in the next step, what we can do, see in the first step cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta, since these two are in the numerator and denominator respectively, so one term I have cancelled it. For the remaining terms, I am trying to simplify. Integration of cos square theta plus sin square theta is nothing but 1, and the remaining is sin theta plus sin theta cos theta into d theta. And here we have integration of 1 minus sin theta cos theta into d theta we have, okay, into d theta. When I open the bracket separately, integration of 1 into d theta separately. First one, integration of 1 into d theta plus integration of sin theta cos theta into d theta plus integration of 1 into d theta minus integration of sin theta into cos theta into d theta we can write. Okay. Now here you can observe one is positive, one is negative. Accordingly, these two terms is cancelled. We are left with 1 plus 1. That is integration of 2 into d theta. Here 2 is a constant, so I kept outside the integral. Remaining is integration of 2 into theta. What is theta? Integration of d theta is theta plus c. We found the value of f of theta. Okay. Question is given as f of theta is equal to so and so. Then find f of 30. Okay. Accordingly, we found f of theta value. That is 2 theta plus c. Consider this as an equation number 1. Now they have given one condition, that is f of 10 is equal to f of 0 is equal to 10 is given. So put theta is equal to 0. So you will get any one value. F of 0, wherever theta is there, I am replacing the value of theta by 0. So 2 into 0 is 0, 0 plus c is c only. So finally they have given the value of f of 0 as a 10. So this implies that 10 is equal to c or c is equal to 10. So we found the value of c. Substitute this in the equation number 1 so that we get f of theta is equal to 2 theta plus 10. Finally, we wanted f of 30. So replace the value of theta by 30 so that we get f of 30 is equal to what will get? 2 into 30 plus 10. 2 into 30. 32s are 60. 60 plus 10. What is 60 plus 10? 70. 60 plus 10 is 70. So f of 30 is equal to 70. This is our answer. Hope you have understood. So today's last question is 10th one, that is integration of, if integration of 1 divided by, this is actually very good question. You can observe, even you will also like the question. 5 plus 4 times of cos x into dx is equal to m by n into tan inverse of p by q into g of x by 2 plus c. Okay. Then the value of, then evaluate g of mq pi whole divided by 8np. See how complicated the question is given. But once you solved it and once you have understood the solution of the given problem, you like the way that the question is given here. Okay. Now to find this one. See, these type of questions in JW will be asked as a second part. So 20 plus 5. The 20 will be given as a MCQ question and the last 5 questions will be given as a numerical based. So these are the numerical based questions. Even the previous 9th question as well. Now to find the solution of the given problem, let me consider LHS. What is LHS given here? See, here we need to understand well that when you find integration of this LHS, your answer must be in this form. In this form, once you got the answer, you can identify the value of m, n, p, q and g of x as well. Accordingly, you can find all these values and you can find finally the value of g of mq pi divided by 8 and p. Now to find such an answer, I am considering LHS. What is LHS? LHS is integration of dx whole divided by 5 plus 4 cos x is given. Now here we need to use one standard formula, that is for cos x. Cos x in terms of t. What is the formula for cos x in terms of t? 1 minus tan square x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. This is one of the submultiple angle formula for the function cos we are using. Okay. Then the given question will become, when I rewrite in place of cos x, it's an answer in terms of tan, we get the answer which is of the following form. That is integration of dx whole divided by 5 plus 4 times of value of cos x I am writing as tan, that is tan of, that is 1 minus tan of x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan of x by 2 we can write. Now you can take LCM in the denominator and let us think further what we can do. So when I take LCM in the denominator, integration of dx in the numerator will remain same, whole divided by 1 plus tan x by 2 into 5 is nothing but 5 plus 5 tan x by 2. 5 tan x by 2 plus 4 minus 4 tan x by 2 whole divided by LCM value. What is the value of LCM? Value of LCM is 1 plus tan x by 2. Denominator of denominator can be written in the numerator. Accordingly, I am writing that in the numerator, that is 1 plus tan x by 2. Okay, na? 1 plus tan x by 2. Now further what you can do, let us see. Integration of 1 plus tan x by 2. Okay, here square should be there. 5 plus 5 tan square x by 2. 1 minus tan square x by 2 whole divided by 1 plus tan square x by 2. Yeah, formula. Accordingly, here we'll get square. So the numerator, now you can observe numerator 1 plus tan square theta. What is 1 plus tan square theta? Secant square theta. What is theta here? X by 2. So numerator can be rewritten as secant square x by 2 whole divided by, in the denominator 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4 will become 9. So 9 plus 5 tan square x by 2 minus 4 tan square x by 2 is only tan square x by 2 you will get. In the next step, we should use method of substitution to find the solution of the given problem. That is, let tan x by 2 is equal to t. What is differentiation of LHS? Differentiate LHS with respect to x, RHS with respect to t. So, differentiation of tan x is secant square x by 2 into differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2 into dx is equal to dt. When I do this 2 cross multiplication with the RHS, this 2 will be considered as a 2 times of dt in an RHS. So now we rewrite the given question in terms of t to find the solution of the given problem in a simple way. That is integration of secant square x by 2 into dx is nothing but 2 times of dt whole divided by 9 can be written as 3 square and value of t we have assumed as a tan x by 2. So tan square x by 2 will become t square. So 2 is as it is. This is in the form of integration of dx whole divided by a square plus x square format. So formula says 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a. Here a is 3. So 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a, t by a value is 3 plus c. Finish. We found the answer. When I rewrite this, we get 2 divided by 3 into tan inverse of t value. What is the value of t? Tan x by 2. So tan x by 2 divided by 3 plus c. Okay. Yes, we found the answer, which is of this form. That is 2 by 3 into tan inverse of 1 by 3 into tan x by 2 plus c. When I compare this, with the given RHS. See here, m by n into tan inverse of p by q into g of x by 2 plus c is given. In place of m by n, we found 2 by 3. Okay, then value of m will be equal to 2 and n will be equal to 3 respectively. Later on, inside the tan inverse, inside the bracket p by q, we have that p by q is nothing but 1 by 3. From this we can say value of p is equal to 1 and q is equal to 3. M value, n value, p value, q value, everything we found. And at last I can consider the value of g of x as a tan x by 2 as well. Yeah, I hope you can observe g of x and every value we found it. M value, n value, p value, q value and g of x value also we have found it. What is our intention? Our intention is to find the value of this g of mq pi whole divided by 8 n pi. Remember these values. I am substituting these values in the function g of x. What is our function g of x? G of x is equal to tan of x divided by 2. So if I substitute all these values, that is mn pq in the given function, let us see what we will get. I am writing in the next slide. That is, we found the values of mn pq are as follows. M is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, p is equal to 1, q is equal to what we found? 3, I guess. Yeah. And g of x value, majorly g of x value we found it as tan x. Okay, tan x. G of x value we found it as tan x or tan x by 2. I guess tan x by 2. Now let us see further what we will get. Tan x by 2, check it once. The question was given tan of x by 2. Okay. In the question only they had given tan of x by 2, I guess. Okay. Then the value of, okay, this is g of x by 2. G of x by 2 is equal to tan of x by 2. Fine. G of x by 2 is equal to tan of x by 2 we can consider. So if so, now we need to find the value of, if g of x by 2 is equal to tan of x by 2, consider x by 2, replace the value of x by 2 by only x. So g of x will become only tan x. Now we wanted the value of g of mq pi divided by g of mq pi whole divided by g of mq pi whole divided by 8 np was the question, 8 np. So this is equal to, see in the function g, just we are replacing the value of x by mq pi whole divided by 8 np by substituting the value of m n p q and keeping pi and 8 as it is in this function, so that we get tan of, in place of x I am substituting all these values. M value is 2 and q value is 3. 2 3s are 6 pi whole divided by 8 into n value. N value is 3. 8 3s are 24 and p value is 1. 24 into 1 is 24. 6 1s are 6 4s are 24. So finally we are getting tan of pi by 4. Yes, see, we found the answer. Tan of pi by 4 is nothing but 1, which means value of g of mq pi whole divided by 8 np is equal to 1. Hope you have understood. Thank you.